Hey babes, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonia and I upload workout and lifestyle video every week. Before we start, I want you to hit the notification bell and subscribe so you will know when I upload new video. Today's video is a quick but very effective workout that targets our core and abs. Many of you have requested this workout, so here you go today. And at the same time, it also strengthens our upper body and improves our full body coordination. Now, are you ready? Let's go! There are 5 exercises and we will do each for 45 seconds and rest for 15. All of them are plank and its variations. First exercise is rocking plank. We will start in a high plank position and move our body back and forth to warm up our wrist and ankle joints. You can also drop down to elbow plank and rock back and forth. Remember to align your wrist, elbow and shoulder joints in one straight line. Ready? Let's start. Turn your elbows slightly outward to avoid overextend your arms. Push your palms into the mat as if you are going to tear the mat apart. Keep it going and keep your plank. Don't drop your hip or push your hip up. Squeeze your glutes and suck in your belly button all the time. Now we're almost done. Last 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Rest. Next is plank with bent knees. First, we hold the plank and then we bend the knees without moving the rest of the body. You can also choose elbow plank for an easier option. Now let's get into high plank and start. Again, keep your torso, your upper body very stable, only moving your legs. A common mistake people always make is to push their hip up when they bend the knees, or the upper body is not stable, keeps moving. So be careful of those mistakes. You should feel the soreness at your upper body, your arms and your core, your abs, and a little bit at your back. We're almost done here. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job, everyone. Next is plank with rotation, alternating between left and right. Again, you can also do it in elbow plank with rotation. Now ready? Let's go. Remember, it's more important to do it right than do it quick. So take your time when you rotate your body to the side, look up, and when you come back down to the plank, make sure it's a perfect plank before you rotate to the other side. You can tell by my muscle definition that my entire upper body muscles are working really hard. Keep it going, push it through, we're almost done here. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Next is plank jacks. This is very challenging but also very fun to do. Instead of jumping, you can also do stepping to left and right. Ready? Let's do it. This is the perfect exercise to train our full body, especially the ankle joints. People often don't train their ankles enough. So we easily get injured when we wear high heels, walking long time, or for guys, they play soccer and hurt their ankles. But of course, if you have injury at your ankle or you have weak ankles, feel free to do the stepping instead of jumping. The point is to keep you moving. I feel very serious burning sensation on my entire legs. But Keep it up. Push it through. You can do it. Great job, everyone. Now we're down to the last exercise today. The last one is my favorite mountain climber. So the easier version is to just do it slower, one step at a time. Now get ready into high plank and run. Just like other exercises, your upper body always stay in a plank, very stable, only your lower body is moving. I know this is very challenging and maybe you feel you are dying, but keep it going, push it through. 6 packs is coming. And later you can show the results to your friends and say, kiss my abs. This is super tiring, but we are not quitting. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. 做完真係阿媽都唔認得。好，我剛剛在做最後一個動作的時候呢，說了一句叫 kiss my abs。abs 呢就是腹肌 abdominals 的意思。其實我是改編自英語的一個說法，叫 kiss my ass。ass 呢跟 abs 是不一樣的。ass 呢是屁股的意思 ，abs 是腹肌的意思。kiss my ass 呢，你不能用字面來翻譯，這樣會笑掉大牙的。它這句話的意思呢，就是拍我馬屁的意思，就是 kiss somebody's ass， 拍誰誰誰的馬屁。比如說，你可以說拍你老闆的馬屁就是 kiss my boss's ass， 拍你媽的馬屁就是 kiss my mom's ass，kiss your mom's ass，sorry， 對，就是這樣子。等等，就是你可以隨便將中間的那個換成不同的人。那但是我改編做 kiss my abs 之後呢，就只能用字面來翻譯了，就是親吻我的腹肌的意思。所以我希望大家都能認真練習，然後早日練出一個漂亮的腹肌，這樣就可以大聲的跟別人說 kiss my abs。好，大家喜不喜歡我今天加的這個小改變呢？記得一鍵3連，還有彈幕留言告訴我哦。I hope you like today's video. And I wish you a good day, good health, and good life. See you next time. Love you, babes.